For generations, oil has been revered as a miracle product for hair care across various cultures. From the deeply nourishing coconut oil to the strengthening benefits of castor oil, hair oils have been the cornerstone of hair care regimens worldwide. However, a growing wave of skepticism questions whether oil is the best choice for your hair. Some argue that oil might actually be detrimental. Let's delve into whether oil is truly the enemy of your hair or a misunderstood ally. The case for hair oil: traditional wisdom and benefits. Historically, hair oils have been used to address a multitude of hair problems. Oils such as coconut, argan, jojoba, and olive oil are praised for their ability to nourish and moisturize. Oils can penetrate the hair shaft and provide deep hydration, especially for dry and brittle hair. Prevent breakage by reducing friction. Oils help to minimize breakage and split ends. Promote hair growth. Some oils, particularly castor oil, are believed to promote hair growth by nourishing the scalp and improving blood circulation. Enhance shine. Oils add a natural sheen to hair, making it look healthier and more vibrant. Protect against damage. Oils can form a protective barrier against environmental damage, such as UV rays and pollution. The case against hair oil. Despite these benefits, some experts and users have reported adverse effects from using hair oils. Clogging of pores. One of the significant arguments against using hair oils is that they can clog pores on the scalp. When oils build up, they can mix with dead skin cells and debris, potentially leading to scalp issues such as acne, dandruff, and even hair loss. Weighing down. The hair oils can be heavy, particularly for those with fine or thin hair. They can weigh down hair, making it look limp and greasy rather than shiny and voluminous. This effect can be especially pronounced if too much oil is applied or if it's not thoroughly washed out. Ineffective for certain hair types. Not all hair types respond well to oil. For example, individuals with naturally oily scalps may find that adding more oil exacerbates the problem, leading to greasy, flat hair. Similarly, some people with curly or textured hair might find that certain oils are too heavy and can lead to product buildup. Finding the balance. So, is oil the biggest enemy of your hair? The answer is nuanced and depends on various factors, including hair type, scalp condition, and how the oil is used. Using oils wisely. Choose the right oil. Not all oils are created equal. For instance, lighter oils like argan or grapeseed oil are better suited for fine hair, while thicker oils like coconut or castor oil can benefit those with dry or curly hair. Moderation is key. Using a small amount of oil can provide benefits without the drawbacks of greasiness or buildup. A few drops are often enough. Apply correctly. Focus on the ends of your hair rather than the scalp. This method can prevent clogging pores while still nourishing the hair. Regular washing. Ensure that oil is thoroughly washed out during your regular hair washing routine. This helps prevent buildup and keeps the scalp clean and healthy. Scalp health. Consider your scalp's needs. If you have a naturally oily scalp, you might benefit more from lightweight oils or oil-free products. Alternatives to traditional oils. For those who find traditional oils problematic, there are alternatives that can provide similar benefits without the potential downsides. Leave-in conditioners. These products can moisturize and protect hair without the heaviness of oil. Serums. Hair serums are often lighter than oils and can provide shine and protection without weighing down the hair. Hair masks. Weekly hair masks can offer deep conditioning and nourishment, similar to oil treatments, but are washed out immediately, reducing the risk of buildup.